Hello everybody. Today we are gonna play something. I don't know what yet. Well, actually I kind of do. Where was it? Oh right, I missed the page, so... Oh god, where is it? There we are. So all I do is this. We are doing a game today. Big B. Wow, give me ping, I don't care. Come on, hurry up. I wanna play. I wanna play. Wait. If you're watching this before the other one, this is my ultimate goal, everybody. 1 subscriber. That's my first goal. Okay? I might make it go a little bit bigger after. But today we are playing this game. Murder Mystery 2. Murder Mystery 2. So, wait, what does this do? Click. Oh, it's not even working. Derp. It's still not working. So, who's a murderer? That's all I want is 1 subscriber. That's all I want to tell you, okay? Bye. Someone wanted to send me a friend request, so I had to accept it. I mean, I'm a YouTuber and I accept friend requests, okay? Okay. It's all good. See, I'm not like some other YouTubers who don't even accept. But it is pretty nice, because he's a YouTuber. At the end of his videos, he accepts a friend request. But I accept all. Hello? Murdering everybody! Wow, she's the murderer. She's literally the murderer. And she's literally trying to kill me, but I just nodded. Because I got attacked. Is that dodged? Hold on, what if I tried recording on both of my cameras? This is gonna be so funny. Ready, guys? I'm literally gonna do it. Hi, guys. I'm recording on 2 screens. Literally, I'm recording right there on my face cam. And we're playing Murder Mystery 2. I'm literally uploading 2 videos at a time. Wow. But we are playing Roblox Murder Mystery 2. Who's the murderer? Who's the murderer? Oh god, I'm scared. Hey, give me those coins! Ugh. I just got glitched, everybody. Help! Go! Eh! Well, I better go then. Just reach the skull. That's all I want. Please. Yep, now I have no face cam. You don't see me. Okay. Wow! I'm dead. Well, I'm gonna stop recording this camera right here. Yeah?
Stupid dog in there.
Okay.
Hurry up.
Sorry guys, sorry. My mom wanted me to do something. Guys, what should I name my video on the phone? I'm just gonna name it 2 Rec at ATINE. Next description. Derp. 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 LEWTON. Done. I just uploaded another video. Guys, 2 videos at a time. That's just funny. 2 videos at a time. I don't think that's ever... Guys, I don't think that was ever done before. Oh, someone just traded me. What's he gonna give me? I'll give you everything. Wow, you're just giving me commons. The elf and the Santa. All I have is a pea gun. And of course he'd be kind. Because I gave him nothing. Because I don't have 2 commons for 2 commons. Ah! Get out of Zealy Soul. Now I feel like I should be in here. I'm staying in here, sorry guys. I don't want to be murdered. Hold on. Dab of it. I have to do more than 1 dab. I'm sorry, that's just how I roll. Yep, I think I just deleted my face cam. Because it says hiding for my face cam. Now it's recording. What do you want, bro? Wow, 1 for 2. At least I get a Santa and an elf. I'm blocking this dude from coming in. I think he's the murderer. Are you murderer? Someone's name is Ash. Oh, what should I give him for this? Ooh. Bing, 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 bing. If you accept, I'm declining. I don't really want the tree or the coal. He's a liar. He's a liar, everybody. He's a liar. Liar. Anyways, hope you all enjoyed today's video. Remember, 1 subscriber, that's all I want. Goodbye, everybody.